Mm. Hello everybody, this is Lizzie99, aka Elizabeth Dawson here. Welcome back for more video game lesson. And list of PlayStation 1 games, M through Z, part 11. Spoiler ahead, make sure you guys have play all your favorite video games and everything else first. And also, if you guys see something new on this channel, I did add the website called Change.org in order for you guys to sign to make a change or ban or everything else. And also, I am fighting for to save one ride from Disney theme parks. Any of you guys that love one ride to save is Swan Mountain. I loved that ride very much ever since I was 12 years old back then. Yes, I was in my preteen during my first visit at Disneyland. So I will put the website will help you guys if you have your own something like that. Please set. I will put something on one of my social media or for I find it a different type for the whites. So one YouTube user respond and yes one of the new whites at this world is open already. So yeah. I will talk about Disney later soon this lesson over, but not right now. I will try to talk about it. Now let's get going. Oh, remember, key item the name in the game and the date. Again, I want to see some of the most of our favorite anime do have video games. So make it sure. However, it depends on those. Please let me know. Our favorite video games that have been so popular ever since. Hold on for a moment. Alright. You guys might remember this game series. I remember the Sega game my older sister used to play on PlayStation 2. Halloween Profile video game series. That was back until the year 2018. And you guys might know that anime called Vampire Hunter D. Yeah. If anyone loved that game, comment. Definitely going to talk about. I should stop and get these right here, so we have to keep going. But we almost done with this all PlayStation 1 games. However, it will be for me. I am not wasting my time. However, as it's okay we take a break from making videos if we like something like that. And however, guys, so please keep subscribing to this channel and hit the bell for all the video when I upload. Please visit my second channel, Elizabeth Dawson. If you're on this channel watching this, go to this channel. And you guys might be love Jurassic Park. Speaking of Jurassic Park, the new Jurassic World movie coming out this month and this year. You guys are love them kind of movie. Hold on for a moment. Alright. Wow, everybody, we are so fast. We're on the W's. We're almost there. So when we're done this, you're going to look at all the list, all the video games. There we are, the fourth one, but however, there are a lot of problems if you see it, but look it up for yourself. I put your specific key eye on the word. However, it's okay, we do have our own opinions. Hold on. I don't know if he had a video game. I'm not too sure. So, time for me to wrap this up. See you in the next video. Bye.